Hey developers, backend warriors, and bug chasers. Today on BlackSattai AI, we're not just reviewing another AI code tool. We're reviewing an AI that actually reads your codebase. Say hello to Cody, built by Sourcegraph, and designed to help you understand, debug, and navigate large projects, not just autocomplete them. What is Cody? Cody is an AI coding assistant that connects to your repo and helps you search, understand, and fix code across your entire project, while Copilot gives you a few lines of suggestion. Cody reads the full repo, tracks dependencies, and even answers complex questions about your code. How to use Cody? Go to sourcegraph.com/Cody. Connect to your GitHub repo or local project. Ask Cody questions like, where is this function defined? Why is this throwing an error? Summarize this class. Cody responds in real time with repo-aware answers. Works with VS Code, JetBrains, and who should use Cody? Developers maintaining legacy codebases, new hires learning large team projects, freelancers handed confusing client repos, CA and DevOps trying to trace bugs across modules, pros. Context-aware understands your entire repo. AI search feels like Stack Overflow plus ChatGPT plus Git Blame. Explains unfamiliar code instantly. Great onboarding tool for teams. Works with GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, local files, cons. Requires repo access setup not ideal for casual users. Free tier has some limits. Sometimes slow on large monorepos. Doesn't generate big blocks of new code like Copilot, Windsurf, data, and privacy. Cody connects to your codebase through Sourcegraph, so always review what permissions you give. They don't train on your code without your opt-in. Still, that's to avoid uploading sensitive client code if you're unsure. BlackSattai Verdict. Cody is not your AI code generator. It's your AI code reader. Your code whisperer. Your debugging detective. If you work in messy, unfamiliar, or enterprise-scale projects, this tool will save you hours of reading and guessing. Another tool. Another truth. This is BlackSattai AI.